Hi friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to install WordPress on your Windows environment. Whether Windows is 7, Windows 10 or 11, the process will be the same. Before creating any website, the first process for the developer is that how to install WordPress in your local machine. Firstly, before installing WordPress, you have to configure that. Uh, you have to choose that on which local environment you are working. There are two environments for Windows. First one is WAMP and another one is XAMPP. So I have installed WAMP on my system. So I am going to tell you how to install Windows, how to install WordPress on WAMP. This is my triple W. This is my Windows. I just go to the WAMP 24. Just go to triple W file. Here, this is the folder where we will install WordPress. Firstly, download the WordPress. I have already downloaded the WordPress. I just create a folder here. I just create a folder. Here is the WordPress, and come put your all the files here. After that, just click on PHP My Admin. Where before doing anything, you have to create a database here. This is a default interface for the PHP My Admin. The username is root and the password is default. Suppose I am going to tell you the how to create a database. Just the database name is WordPress. Just go to create button. This is the local directory path where your WordPress installation will work. We have installed our WordPress on the WordPress folder. Just clicking over here. After clicking, one Windows will be open. It is like that. Choose your language. After that, you have to enter these details. Then your WordPress installation begin start. Just database name is the WordPress, and this is your database username, and this is your password. Our password is blank. The database will be the localhost, and this is a prefix table. Before installing WordPress, you can choose your database prefix. Suppose, and this I am going to add. This is my prefix, so you can add prefix or you can leave it. Just click on submit button. Then your WordPress installation is done. Just click on run the installation. This is your site title. This is your admin name. This is username. So you can choose your password here. Confirm me on that, and please enter your email ID. If you forget your email ID, if you forget your anything, if you forget your password, you can recover all this thing with that email ID. So please enter your email ID. This is the this option is for SEO purpose. If you click here, your website will not search on Google. Just click on install WordPress. This is your WordPress has been installed. Just click on login button. The login URL will be the wplogin.php, and please enter your username and password. Let's click on login button. Your WordPress website is ready. This is your dashboard, so you can install plugin, you can install themes. In the next video, I will tell you how to install themes, how to install WordPress, how to improve your development skills. Thank you.